Thank you guys for clicking on the video. So today we're going to go over what a buy and hold technique is and what it means to buy and hold onto a stock. Now I'm not going to go over super detailed specific trading principles. I can do that in another video, but today I'm going to show you some general outlining on how to buy and hold stocks. So what buy and hold means, it basically means you buy a stock and you hold on to it for a certain amount of time. If you're buying and holding, usually you want to hold on to that stock for a few years. Now, when I'm buying a stock and I plan on holding it for a long term, I want to buy a stock in a sector where it's very, very bullish. In other words, where it's growing. I then want to check to make sure that it is a mid-cap stock and that it pays out a nice dividend. Mostly because I'll be holding on to the stock for a few years and I want some guaranteed money if I know that I'm going to be holding on to it for a while. Before this oil crisis and oil wars, I was actually a big fan of this, and I actually had Exxon, mostly because they were a great company and they kept raising their dividends for the last 25 years. That's just one real life example, but buying and holding long term can be great for your portfolio, especially since the market is continually rising. So as long as you pick a good solid stock with great fundamentals, you should be fine. Leave a comment below if I should do a more in-depth tutorial on buying and holding stocks. And in the meantime, like and subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching.